How to change flight on JetBlue. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can change your flight on JetBlue, so make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to change your flight on JetBlue, all you have to do is simply open the JetBlue app over here. Once you open the JetBlue app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to go to the My Trips section. When you go to My Trips, if you have any of the other trips that you might want to cancel, you should be able to cancel them over there. Now basically there are no change or charge or cancellation fees on most of the fares or on JetBlue, now except for Blue Basic, because Blue Basic fees are subjected to a change or cancellation fee of $100 per person. So if you booked a Blue Basic flight, then mainly it means that you have to pay $100, but if it's another normal flight, then you will not have to pay anything. Once you come to this page, you will find the flights that you have, then you should be able to cancel them accordingly. If not, then you can also just come to the book tab or just tap on the three dots over here. You should be able to simply go to settings, search for customer support, and then get help with canceling it. So that is it for today's video on how you can go ahead and then simply change your flight on JetBlue. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.